Hey guys, we're doing another rewatch today. Hopefully, I don't get interrupted. I've been interrupted 3 times since starting and just getting to the start of this, so we'll see if it actually makes it. So we're rewatching the matchup between myself. Let's see here. If we see we've got 3 minutes left before treaty drop, so things are getting pretty close. So I am the Mayans. And if we look at my stuff, I got 56 on gold, 46 on food, 38 on wood. We've walled off up here pretty well. Then we go to Adam as my teammate. Let's see, where are you, Adam? Sexy blonde. So Adam's also got 52, 54, and 30. So we're actually very similar in our civs. Adam's right here. He's my pocket. He's the Lithuanians, I believe. Yeah, the Lithuanians. You can see he's got all of this. I think a big issue in it. Oh, well, that's interesting. He walled his basin. One of the big issues we'll see in this game is that Adam's military is all kind of back here, where the front is going to be all the way over here. So that becomes an issue. Then we have Joel. Let's see here. Where are you? Mr. Veracruz. That's TD Cat. We're not looking at TD Cat. We're looking at Veracruz. Veracruz, who's got 40, 30, and 10. So not a lot of gold going on here. But, Joel's not expected to. That's not Joel's role in this game. But we see that he's kind of walled off, and he's got the food and the wood to support trash for days, so that's good. Needs a little more food, but either way, they walled off the front. They don't want him cutting in, where on our other side, we're cutting in. You can see the difference there. And then Cody, Mr. Samus Lords, who's the Britons, has 30 and 44 with 3 minutes left. Looks like he's building military buildings and isn't really working on trade and stuff like that at this point. So that's what's going on with Cody. On the other side, let's start with Travis. So Travis has 48, 64, and 30. So Travis has a very strong economy. He's also the Goths, I believe. Yeah. Travis is really loving the Goths right now. Big fan of them. So making a strong argument for whatchamacallits. Everyone to start going Turks. Travis, and then who's red? Austin. So Austin has, holy crap, Austin, 80 wood? Really? 80 wood? Okay. 80 wood for the Spanish. I don't know why he needs that much wood. But, okay. And then we've got Taylor, who he's actually on the outside, but Taylor's the Celts. You can see he's walling off here, not there. So he has that wall and then this wall here. But it's still kind of open, kind of funky. And then we have Spencer over here. Spencer's got pretty well rounded, needs more wood, but he's the Turks. So actually, yeah, you'll want wood with the Turks. So let's start this up. Let's see what happens here for the next couple of minutes. You see that I am walling off everything. Just trying to get everyone in here. On the other side, we see Austin is walling off here, doing a bunch of walling. So, interesting. Boop-a-doop. But there's not anything going on over here. Man. Damn, that's what you get for cutting on this side. That makes me mad. So I'm cutting this stuff, but you'll notice I'm not going forward. The reason I was cutting it was to make space for military. Man. Tanner, you idiot. Could have just cut through the freaking middle and won this stupid game. Oh, that makes me so stupid angry. So I got 30 seconds. Yeah, let me just cut through right there. Oh. Can't win them all. So I don't want to watch this economy. I think that the economy worth watching is Adams. So we'll see what happens. So they're going, and I'm cutting. And I wanted to do a side swipe. I thought, you know what? I'm going to just try and go around stuff. If I'd known that a punch up the middle would have been the way to go, man, I'd have been so much happier. But regardless, it is what it is. So we're cutting through. Adam's here. And we're in. On the other side, Travis is cutting. It looks like Travis has stopped. Oh, and there he goes. He's going to hit a wall. On the other side, I've hit a wall. We're like, oh no, crap, we hit a wall. They took our jabs. There's Travis just cutting in. Way to go, Cody. Cutting, just building that first defensive line. On the other side, cut around, and Taylor walls off again. Just immediate wall. Boom, boom, boom. And we're just trying our darndest to get everyone in as much as we can. A lot of troops. On the other side, Travis is trying to get in. We've got archers going crazy. Travis is having a blast. They've got a gate, which, we haven't been using gates, but the gate is closed, so good for them. I don't know what's going on over there. They must be sending troops to support over here. So now Austin's walled off everything, which really sucks. Because we're trying to get, and you see, I actually have pushed this far forward at this point, and it's really frustrating. It's like I can't get through all of this, so I guess I'll attack that. I should have attacked this, but you can't win them all. Let's see this wall here. I'm just looking at the wall because Austin has just walled off everything. He closed the system, man. Now Travis is here, trying to get through. So me and Adam are fighting against all of these guys. Adam's eating these dudes. On the other side, we're just hanging out. Travis is now going a little bit more. We're trying to push, but it's not going to happen. So, let's see here. What can we look at that's interesting? I mean, you see that they've just got everybody and their dog over here. On the other side, looks like they're trying to get in, and Cody's just sniping with all the damn archers. The moment they get close, they just get killed. They're looking at trade, I guess. I don't really know what that's about. Adam built his castles in the back of his base, like all back here, and that's where all of his military is coming from. So it's very slow to get all the way up here. So then I cut through here to try and make that a more likely option, but we see that there's all these guys that are just going to kill everything that I'm sending at them. Adam's very rich this game. On the other side, Travis is punching in. Looks like Cody's making some moves, It's crazy to see Britons versus Goths. Oh, and Joel's plunging. Joel, you son of a gun, you did it. That's exactly what we needed Joel to do. Just punch in. We really need to just kill one of these. Just kill one house and go there. Or get, right? Never mind. Yeah, just kill one house. Attack the house. Attack the house. Attack the house. Not attacking the house. Darn. And on the other side, they're going. It's one of Cody's strong points is he's really good at microwing. On the other side, we see that not a lot of movement. It looks like Taylor's kind of made a hold, and now we've got Spencer there as well. They must have gotten it. Oh, yes, they got it right there. Austin got some dudes in. So they're all flexing over here. Trying to take all these guys out. Taylor with the plunge. Gonna do another one. Somehow, by miracle, they stopped these guys. Maybe. They might not stop them. Apparently they didn't stop them. These guys were really bad on our side. On the other side, we see that Austin and Travis are winning on this. And Cody's doing a good job of just holding. Like, that's his job, is survive, you know? But these things are just murders to archers. But he's just built a maze. I love it. Yeah, this is ugly on our side. Just feels like a losing battle for the Team Idaho. So at one point, Adam tried cutting right here, but he hit this wall and just stopped. On the other side, we got Joel, Travis, Austin. Travis is starting to build forward barracks as he's taking a thing out of, out of Alex's book. Cody did a really good job of holding. I'm very impressed with how well he just survived. No, the fight to win was on this side, and we lost. And they're taking out the castle now. We're just not surviving. I just took out that castle. At this point, Travis is pretty well in. Need to put up another wall right there. But the problem is there's too much military over here. So it's just not going to work. So both sides are flexing right now. And there's just no stopping these guys. And Cody's doing a very good job of trying to stop. So is Joel. They're both doing a great job on their side for getting swarmed, you know. Now about 40 seconds left, so we're gonna pause right now. And I got 15 seconds left, so I'm gonna stop right now, and we're gonna come back in a second. So F3,